So many of you are in that sandwich generation where you're caring for your parents and caring for your kiddos or grandchildren, right? And you're so overwhelmed that the first thing you think to do is stop your business. Don't stop your business. Why? Because if you're working for someone else, you don't know if they're going to keep you on, right? You don't know that. If you have one customer in your business, you treat them like gold. You don't know when you're going to need to pick that business up again. I believe if you just work your business very consistently, maybe you don't want to gain any new clients, right? Maybe you don't want to, but could you, send out cards and things like that to the clients that you do have? Could you maybe have people fill out some surveys for market research? Maybe you're not holding appointments right now, but you absolutely could be gathering data, because I do know this. Even if you're caring for someone else, you have downtime. If you have time to watch this video, if you have time to scroll on social media, you do have time to send these things out. I promise you. I know it's overwhelming and you just don't know where to start. I can help you with that. I can help to simplify it.